So like what I can say right there. Let me see. Honestly has no business being in that spike right there. It's kind of like everybody's just trying to take their positions, trying to like entrap people. There's a volume bar right there. They're pretty nasty one looking. And right here, everybody's kind of buying back. So it's kind of like it's just a one sell point. Everybody gets trapped, and then it starts spiking up like crazy. When do exactly have a take profit point? I'll probably put it right here if I'm honest. We can sell right there. Oh, can't see shit. There. Now it's not looking too pretty. Now it's not looking too pretty. I would kind of just sell it at this point, to be honest. Yeah, but put it too high. I'm gonna just cut it right there. $5 loss right there. It can honestly go anywhere. I really don't know. Let's see. The only reason why I knew there was gonna be a really big spike right here is because I saw the delta was a divergence on this and this. It made a new low while this made a new high. It didn't show in the 5-minute range, but on the ESH it also showed the same thing, except hang on, let me change this to ESM. On the ESM, well, never mind on the ESM. On the SH, it just showed there was a divergence. So I'll show you right here. Yeah, right here it made a new high, and right here it made a new low. Yeah, and right here it made a new low, and then it made a new high. That's kind of strange. I did not see that. Let's put that in sort of cards. Let's see how that. I kind of like to look at that, if I'm honest. Right here, I would just open mask. Honestly, I don't even have a take profit area. I just know it's going to be going down. Look at the ESM again. Yeah, those are pretty nice divergence. So it's like it could go really low if we wanted to. The only thing is that the Nasdaq didn't do the same divergence. I'm just trying to see where this candle goes in the meantime, because it didn't even rip down too low on the ES. I'm just trying to see where it closes to up to this point. I think I'm just gonna get out there. It's kind of like I don't expect it to go really down too much more. My goal here is to get like as much cash. Like I don't have a limit on my cash. I just want to get my percentage up as much as possible. I was kind of trading out like a lot last night, so I don't really have like a price target for today. That's kind of like, oh, I'm gonna stop when I feel like it. The thing is that that's not the most bearish candle it can make on this part. I can see it going lower, but I'm just not gonna put my. I'm just not really seeing the best setup. I wouldn't because right here I could see that I could see a pretty big green volume bar forming, and then as soon as it does, I'm gonna sell out. As a matter of fact, I wanted to do it with the Nasdaq instead, but here, let me see if I can join bid. Yeah, cool. Oh, that's a nasty candlestick. Absolutely nasty. Oh, I'm gonna hold it in. I feel like it'll retrace. I should have probably just sold at the when I knew it was gonna close pretty soon. I'm gonna close that one just because I don't want to be dealing with ES. I just kind of wanted to be in the Nasdaq a month. I still don't see us tracing the delta, so it's kind of like I don't know really the direction where it's gonna go. I'm gonna move this down here. Oh, nice. I don't know why the stop loss just disappeared like that. That was not supposed to happen. Whatever. There's a little scalp right there. Just take money where you can. Fuck you mentality, you know what I'm saying? I'll probably just retrace because that's a really, really nasty red bar right there. It's kind of like it could keep lower, keep going lower if it wanted to, but I really don't think it will. I'm just gonna see where the next candle plays out. Because right here it's just kind of like it makes sense, but I don't think it'll be low for long. Like if this does not close red, I'm buying it. Same thing with the ES. Yeah. kind of further two different directions. I feel like that bar is just to trap anybody in. And I do see it working so far. How about this one? Yeah, it's alright. I'm gonna sell one. Never mind. Honestly, like I expected to retrace, but I didn't even expect it to retrace that by that much. So it's kind of like I don't mind just cutting it. Yeah. Like I expected it to trap people, but it really like it went down so much that like I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't like retrace by all that much. And then from that point forward, it's like I don't really. Yeah, like honestly, I see it going down. But I get overextended to the point where I'm gonna put a bid. Call it right there. It's kind of like in my eyes, these trades make no fucking sense at all. But it's like I'm gonna still put it just to put it. You know what I'm saying? Like right now, I don't know why I just did that. Then the candle's not even anywhere near done. I'm gonna get it right there because that was a really bad trade. I don't know why I took that. Is it another red spike? I'd say I could repeat the same pattern if I wanted to, but I'm not sure if it would. I'll put a bargain on it that I will. That's the yes. Nice. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't put on the other one. This one would have been better. Yeah, like I retraced. Wow. So it was a good call actually. I just didn't see it for me the way that I saw it for me. That's what's up. Okay, I really do like the momentum here. I'm gonna get in. That's interesting. It broke right here. I'm just gonna see where the ES closes, because if it still goes into the yellow, then I'm not dealing with it. Right now, it just shows like I would say bearish momentum. It's kind of like I could have seen it's gone lower. I don't know why it closed like that. I just mentioned not to trade in the first 5 minutes of the day, and I really just rather stay away. Overall, see the direction just going down. Oh, can't tell. You see that looked like a green bar that would trap people right here. So it looks like it's gonna just be going down. Right here's resistance or support level. But it's kind of like a take profit bar, if I'm honest. It depends how high it goes and the volume. I didn't see the time. I would have closed it right there. Okay. That candle closed red. You see like how I saw it up here? And kind of like you can't really predict that because there's a big resistance on that green. Or the yellow even. I at least wanted to see across the yellow and it didn't. It failed. So it's kind of like with this, it's supposed to be going down, but it's not. This, I see bullish momentum, but it's going up. It's going down. It went down a little bit. So I could see it going up. I'm actually gonna perking that. That's overextending, so I'm gonna just cut it. The reason why I said this because it went fast. It went way up really, really fast. I did not expect it. I was like, nah, that's not a true bar. It's kind of like, if anything, it's just trying to like catch anybody. It's just trying to stop anybody out, if you feel me. And then it'll just go right back down. But it could close. It could close green. I just don't know. It just didn't feel right. If you catch me. He's right here. It's pretty. It looks pretty green, but like it got the red that it deserved. But I felt like it was supposed to go more red. And the green bar was really wonky, if I'm honest. Kind of like you got this red bar after red bar, and then bam, a nice large ass green bar one that didn't even extend over the red. But kind of caught up to it. Right here, it's kind of caught up. I don't know. I guess it played alright. Yeah, we can see it going up more. I'm gonna shut it down right here though. I'm gonna give it 3 more seconds. Alright, we're good. I don't even know how much money we made there. Maybe I should put my fill something chart. 210. It's pretty good. It could really go anywhere up to this point. I could see it going up, but I just don't want to bet it. Like when I see this pretty big resistance, like a lot, resistance level. I'm just not trying to bargain that. Let me actually look at previous levels so we can see it. Oh, if it breaks it, I can see it going up to 84 levels. Yeah, it's kind of like a recent new low, but like before it goes down even more, but to like see it break new levels. If you catch my drift, so it just broke new levels on the 1 minute. Or broke another high on the 1 minute. So let's see how it closes in the next minute. If it can't find the breakage, then I'm gonna probably end up shorting it. But I have to see where the next few candles go, because the next few candles are just hovering on it. It's kind of like there's a chance that it'll still break out, but it just needs more time. Yeah. So far, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, it's looking pretty clean. The thing is that this bar was meant to like trap anybody. It's like it could kind of go anywhere from there. And it's like, I don't know. So it's kind of like I could be going in too early, if I'm honest. So I'm just gonna cut it right there. It's a good 135 profit. Um, Sometimes you just need to give it another minute, see if it goes any lower. Nah, it didn't hit though. Yeah, I can just see right there. That's pretty good. Um, Damn, that's annoying. Whatever. I just wanted to catch that. Would have been at least like 200. If it goes up like really high on the volume, I'm gonna sell it. 5 seconds away. Cutting it. I see the next bar. No, that's it. You set up. I can see it like going up more, but just by little increments. Like this one, it hired over that bar, so it's kind of like it's just gonna keep going up. But as soon as it's gonna be curving up, just like this one did, and bam, yeah. We just gotta see like a above average red bar in order to see it. Or at least just yeah, it's an above average red bar, I'd say. Yeah, that was another really good looking green bar. The 5 minute close is right here, so from this point forward, I could see it going down. But at the same time, I'm not gonna bet it just yet. I can take another rip up. I don't want it to. It's kind of like sometimes it doesn't mind doing that, where it just kind of goes low, 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 and low, and low, and low, and low. Well, usually it does after like, let's see, 573 to 429. It's like a 70 point candle. There you go. 369, 264. Yeah, that's it. Just gonna go down. Yeah, you see, like here's the point of going down. That I'm talking about. It's kind of like as soon as I see the red bar, that's like on the average point. Like I'm going down with it. But at the same time, I kind of want to see it close at least below this, so that way I can get a better gauge. But let's just see where this candle goes. It's kind of like I don't mind losing if it doesn't going up. I'll just get out. We got 10 seconds left. Yeah, I don't like that. How it looks. It was a really big rip. Yeah. No, it's not appealing me. I want to get out. It's like that was just a red bar for it to go like trying to meet it, but unless I see it like surpassing the past green bar, then it's like it really wasn't a good trade to get in. Okay, it still has a support right here, so I'm gonna wait it out just a little bit until this passes. If it can close below this line, then I'm shorting it. I'm talking about that one right there. It's looking pretty nice to get out, but it's just if it can end up being like a really big red volume bar, then I'm gonna go bullish with it. Like even the deltas, it's climbing down. But it's like usually after a big low rip after that, like it it goes up like tremendously after that. It's kind of like a pullback, really. It's not anything special. Yeah, it's a really nice bar that I like to see. But I was gonna buy market. It could follow through with another bar, but I'm just gonna buy another contract in that case. That looked like a level just to stop anybody out. It could keep going lower, but it's like I don't expect it to. That was a really like ugly part for what it was worth. So it's just I only see it going up if I'm honest. But at the same time, on the 5 minute, nah, like in the 5 minute, it had no justification being this low. But regardless if it closes in the 5 minute, this red, I'm getting out. And honestly, it has enough time. What I'm trying to say, it doesn't have enough time to retrace anymore. The entire thing just looks really bad if I'm honest. Like the fact this was a really big red bar and it's just retracing red after red after red. It's like it should be going down, not up. I don't know why it's going up right now. How about the yes? I got a better gauge on this one. You see, like it's just kind of like it should be going down if I'm honest. But the prices wanted to move higher and higher. Like there was an outstanding red bar to kind of like trap people inside. How about this? Yeah, it's kind of the same red bar. Surprised wanted to move up. Um, I guess you're going up to this point. Bam. I want to buy another contract. I'm kind of confident about this one. I just cut it because I can't see it exactly meaning a reversal. Like it could remain a reversal. I mean, these are two. No, that's supposed to be the opposite way. Like I said, it could end up being a reversal, but it's just like there's not enough volume to support that. The volume is going lower and lower, so it's kind of like I see the confidence decreasing right now. So, or like I feel like a reversal to the downside could occur any moment now. If we don't see the volume spike up, or if we see the volume spike up like a lot, we're shorting it for sure. Especially if it's a green bar. It's like that. Those are people trying to pump it up, take profit, and meanwhile, like this shit, it looks like it's supposed to be pointing down, not up. So really soon, some more red candles will appear, and it'll be even higher than this. We'll see in a bit. For now, I'm gonna go take a peace. You see, right now it's starting to pull back right here. Let's just see if this volume bar can meet just a higher high on the red. And I really do want to see it start reversing by the 30 mark because that'll mark an hour after the market's open. If it can go below the green, that would be even special, even more special. All right, let's see if it closes. We got 2 more minutes. There we got 1 more minute. I'm just trying to see right here if this can surpass this one. If it can, we're going in. Come on, I got 30 seconds left to surpass it. Oh, oh, yeah, I just did. Beautiful. There we go. Oh my god, that was an amazing bar. I like that a lot. Please don't find support on that. I don't even notice the VWAP. What even is this shit? I just have it on my screen. I just know it's some sort of resistance or support. That's like an EMA. It's a VWAP. I don't fucking know. That would be so funny if it finds there's support right there. But honestly, like, I see like a lot of volume going through on this part, so I don't think it would. Here, the volume is picking up even more. However, if it goes down too much, it really. Let's just see more follow throughs here. Let's see, we're 68. I really just want to get to like around 75. But honestly, I don't think I can pull enough contracts to do that. I've already traded so many contracts. I don't think I'm gonna get to 75 anytime soon. At least 70. At least 70. Let's see if we can pull 2%. Dang, it's actually finding support on that. Damn, fuck that line. I don't even know what it does. What the hell is that? I'm gonna kill it. It's kind of like it was a pretty nice red bar. No, honestly, I see it dipping more. Yeah. Yeah. There wasn't a need to kill it. It's kind of like I don't even look at this. Like if I look at the ESM, it'll probably do the same. Yeah, I don't even know why I didn't look at that. Yeah, I'm kind of dumb. Honestly, I guess it's going more, so might as well just bet in right now. I would have put my take profits over here. I'm gonna buy in right there. And then in the meantime, I'll put my loss right here. Um, yeah. If it goes above the blue, I'm buying another one. Hold up. I just noticed something. Shit. It's honestly gotten red enough as it is. Like that was a line to find support or a line to lock people in, and then from there it's gonna make a pullback or a reversal, one or the other. Hold up, right now it's not a good time to tell. I should probably get out. I want to get out because it's like literally 10 seconds before the next candle on the 5 minute. If it closes green, we're going in. Yep. We're at 69. That is not looking like a good candle. None of this setup, it looks good. I might just kill it. Right there. I just didn't like the setup. It wasn't looking clean. Mainly because it's kind of like after such a long Red Bull area, it starts going green, right? I guess I could go right, but right now it's just like, how does it go from one green bar to like almost half of it? That makes no sense to me. Like I expect nothing to behave the way that I want to, so I'd rather just kind of like step away from the market just a little bit and see what happens. I just shorted it because it's kind of like the green volume just keeps moving lower and lower. If it makes another spike, I'm buying another contract to the downside. But at the same time, I could see it moving green, just cause. I may use this bar as an exit point if it goes down. Let's see. Oh, I didn't have many close it. There we go. Ugh, fucking ugly, bro. Fuck that. Damn, I fucked that one. I definitely see it tracing down. It's kind of like I'm being impatient. It has no business being this high, if I'm honest. As long as I'm going to take it 2 contracts down. I was going to buy 2 market. It's like I really don't know when it's going to do it, so. But I know it's gonna go down a lot. See right there with enough volume that I picked up, it's gonna go down. If anything, fuck another contract. That's 2 bearish candles right there. That's 2 points of large volume. It's kind of like I see another point of large volume, and then right here it's like it's really trying to go down, and the price action is just not letting it go down. Right here, I think we're finally gonna see a reversal at that point. Even with the ES, it's like it really wasn't that large of a candle, if I'm honest. So it's like finally we're gonna see some volume to the downside. About 25.40 negative 100. I feel like this is just a candle to stop anybody out, but it really doesn't mean shit. Negative 300, negative 50, negative 60, 80, 100, negative 160. You see, it's just fluctuating right now. It's trying to. The buyers and the sellers are fighting right now. Is a better way to say it. If you see on this one, it's just going up and down. And that seemed like the final retrace, and it's just gonna go down for me. It's making best efforts to go up, but I know the prices wanted to go down. The buyers are really trying to push this up. They see a support level. They see a level of support right here. That's a shit line. But it's like I did not see that. I see it going down. I see it crossing and leaving. The volume just says something else. And those people that are getting out, they're scared now. They're scared and they're leaving their positions. And also, like another trick we could see is the head and shoulders pattern. It doesn't mean it like directly, but you kind of see the pattern going. You can catch the gist of it. Let's just see if it closes in the next 8 seconds below this trend line or not. Yeah, it did. I know it wasn't even that much red in volume compared to the last bar. I could see it trying to pick back up, but it's just gonna get shut down again. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. That is interesting. That means a reversal. I'm gonna have to look that one up. I honestly kind of forgot what kind of reversal that was. All right. So I looked it up online, and it said that uh, so what it means when there's a red candlestick like that, or a red volume bar like that. Which one was it? Bruh. Oh, was that one. there are more sellers than there were yesterday at that level. So the buyers are kind of like coming in right there. But honestly, it won't be for long. It was just kind of like, it was almost like a miniaturized bar. Bro, I'm trying to catch it. I can't. Whatever. If it goes through with this one too, I'll take it. Nah, it's whatever. There. Actually, I'm not too confident in this one anymore. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, let's see if it goes down a little bit. It's kind of like it shouldn't be doing that regardless. But, never mind. I could. Makes sense. But, and kill it. Nice. Oh, maybe. Especially on the view up. I can see it bouncing. As green bar can close above that, we're going bullish. This shit is still making no sense though. Yeah. Yeah, why isn't it doing that? I don't get it. You see I was making another low right here, but yes, keep going higher and higher. Makes no sense. Oh yeah. Oh, actually, no. They're trying to trap people, trying to trap people. Get the fuck out, get the fuck out. Hell yeah. You see that? That's a bar signifying entrapment. Unless this one close above, of course. Yeah, never mind. We're good. Wow. Well, let's see if it goes above the screen. What this could be is a flake out. It's kind of like it already reached it 2 minutes prior. So it's like if it can't sustain itself right here at this level, then we're just gonna see a really big downside move. But however, if it does sustain itself, then yeah. I really see this thing going down. I don't see it going up at all. Like how was it last night? What were the levels that we're talking about? 84. It's kind of already touching there, if I'm honest. We're only a couple points away. Yeah, this thing is going down. It's just a matter of when. So I might as well just start shorting, if I'm honest. Yeah, this is looking beautiful for a downturn. Fuck it, another one. Alright, now we just sit and wait. The fact. Hold on. Now we're chilling. Those bars, in my opinion, are usually just fake outs. They don't really mean shit. However, I don't like how this one's a really big, nasty one. Fuck. I'm gonna cut it. It's kind of like I didn't see that there. On the ESM, EMS, ESM, I see a really big red pullout. It's kind of like when you have a green pullout and a red pullout, they can both mean anything. But the fact that the green pullout was even more than the red was, it's kind of scary. Especially if the preceding bars are all green. So so it had an attempt to make a pullback, but it didn't work. It might still work with this candle, but I doubt it. So it's like now I think we're gonna make a rip to the upside. It may fail again. There's a really strong resistance level because it's on the 84 from the yesterday's low, and on this high right here. So it's like we might not see it. And plus, everything's pinpointed that's supposed to be going down. Like, look at that. Like, that doesn't make sense. Look at this one. Oh, this one. That's it's still lower. It shouldn't be picking up this much, but it is. So let's just be patient and see where it goes. Right now, the market is so volatile that it's just like it's not pinpointing to a single direction. Like right here, it was able to be consistent, but as soon as it got to 9:30, 9:50, it started going wonky. Around 10 o'clock, this is probably one of the most volatile points. Oh, let me see. Let me see what broke above the previous one. That's interesting. Yeah, it's not a good indicator. We'll probably better look at the NQ. Oh, I picked up on Delta, so it's like this one should be following through with the ripping. But yet it's not. Alright, yeah. I don't see it having business right now, being low like this. Yeah. Oh, that's looking nasty. I'm just gonna get out there and call it. This is not really late. Going in direction that I see fit. I have no idea what the fuck is going on no more. I know the big rip to the upside, but to me it doesn't mean shit. Like it's just following more weird bars. So yeah, I'm just call it. Alright. I'm gonna probably start streaming. I really don't know my plans, but I just kinda wanna see where it goes. So thanks for watching, y'all.